Happy holidays. Today we got a video from Body Cam Ninja, and the title of the video is Squatter Thinks She Can Steal a House Without Consequences.
On September 9th, 2024, officers were dispatched to a residence after a caller reported that someone broke into the home and was taking a shower.
Hello.
Hi.
Once another officer gets here, we're going to go in there and we'll get her out.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, we just walked in, heard the shower going, and the door is closed. So I didn't physically see her.
Okay.
But you could hear there's somebody in there.
Are the doors open still?
Yeah, I left it unlocked.
Okay. You give us permission to go inside?
Yes, yeah.
You want her charged and everything like that? Fantastic. You guys just want to hang out here? Well, I'm sure we're going to talk to you after this, okay? So, front door is open. They walked in, they heard the shower going and the door's closed. She has no. She said going in. And she's trespassing. Yeah, she said we could go in.
Hello?
Nice house.
Hello? Munster Police Department.
How can I help you?
You come on out, we need to talk to you.
How can I help you, sir?
Can you come on here, we need to talk to you, right?
Yes, sir. I just got in and I just left the station. You guys came to my house a couple of nights ago, and I had to go through a...
Put your clothes on. Put your
Okay,
clothes
well,
on.
I'm letting you
Put your clothes on.
keep walking in my house.
Put your clothes on. All right, put your clothes on. Put your clothes on.
Okay, so...
Put your clothes on. No, stop talking. Put your clothes on.
Okay, can you step outside?
No,
Okay,
put your
one
clothes on.
second.
Put your clothes on right there. Put your clothes on.
I'm going to clear the rest because I know she has a sign, so I'm going to make sure it's not here.
Just get your clothes on and step out. Put your clothes on.
You guys keep walking into my home.
Put your clothes on and step out.
I definitely will, sir, but it's against the law.
You're right, it is.
Huh?
You're right, it is.
It is, it really is. And this is my house, sir, and I shouldn't keep having to prove that. And you're like, oh, look, yeah, holy fuck. You guys are confused just like everybody else. I just left their station. Just now.
Did you clear that room?
Same exact thing. And I have been here faithfully since the month of August. And if you come home,
How does she keep getting back in? Where's she in? She's in the bathroom. No, put it to the Jeep. Get your clothes out. Did she get evicted or?
She's never lived here.
Never lived here?
She has no associations with this house.
I mean, yes, I'm not doing anything illegal. I just left. Here, hold on, let me turn around, sir. I just left your department to pick up my keys. I just came from there. I just moved in as of August. You guys are the ones that hold me in. I'm trying to figure everything out. You guys aren't at the office, and you guys are coming through my door. I'm not illegal. You can run me, and you can look it up. I gave you all of the information, and I had to go back to get my property. That's it. You guys are walking into my residence like I don't live here. I'm not.
I'm right here.
I'm just saying, I'm just now coming home. You guys just did this, and you guys are the ones that village is the ones that helped me to get in here. So you know I'm not illegal.
Yeah, this is an application for employment.
Well, I just left your village is what I'm trying to tell you. I have my information, and you guys got some as well.
Okay.
And it should be in your computer
Do you have
system,
any
sir. This is not
information?
illegal.
All right.
Only thing is, I have to get to the.
Once
I'm
again,
going to the
I am
B&B in the
2 feet
morning.
away
I'm
from
sorry.
the house.
I'm going in the morning because you guys have something, a glitch in the system somewhere. I'm getting up B&B early in the morning so I can get all the documents, so I can get everything transferred over. Until then, I can't do anything until you guys are open. You guys are closed, and you guys are kicking in the door.
We didn't kick in nothing.
Well, I mean, you're standing in the door.
Do you have a house key or something?
Yeah, and yes, and it's in your property. Could you take me? I can definitely give it to you, and I will open my door.
Do you have, stop shouting.
I'm sorry.
I am like right here.
I understand, officer.
Room is echoing?
Yes, I have keys to the front door. I have keys to my back. I have keys to the entire place.
Do you have a copy of the lease agreement? Or
Well, I purchased this home. I purchased this home from somebody a couple of years ago, and I just moved in August. So she doesn't live.
Who is the somebody?
She's from the Sotheby's Realty. She doesn't even live in Illinois. I don't even know where she is. She just called me with congratulations. I got my key. I got in, and I've been here. But if you want to, you can take me to the station through my property. I promise you, I will come back. I will open my.
Who done, I didn't know buying a house was that easy. You just call the realtor. She says, congratulations. And you move in. No paperwork, no bank, no nothing. No paperwork, just congratulations. And you move on in. Wow. If only buying a house was really that simple. Okay. She talks 1,000 words a minute. And loud too. Oof. Listen, I don't know what's been going on lately, man, with these squatters, but it's been a bad situation with these landlords and squatters, man. Have you seen the incident that's been going on in DC? A lady was this was like national news. The lady was like she went on Airbnb and she rented a place for 31 days. And then after the 31 days, she ended the Airbnb, and her and the host worked on something, agreed to something off of the site, right? And then apparently she just never paid. And she stayed there. And there's different laws and stuff like that to help, people not be evicted, especially since COVID and stuff like that happened. So to help, tenants just not be out on the street. Well, the squatters are taking advantage of that, and it's been a whole fiasco. So this lady has been, paying her bills for a month. Remember, imagine if you buy a house and you rely on, either Airbnb or renting to a tenant or whatever the case may be to pay that mortgage, right? So now you're losing out on that income, but guess what? You still have to pay your mortgage. So she was gone. She went like 6-7 months without, having to pay, or not without having to pay, but without receiving any rent money or anything. So she still had those bills, and they were just accumulating. And she almost lost the place. It was sad. I feel bad for people that own houses that are being landlords as well. It's just such a hard time post-COVID that I've seen people been going through this type of stuff. Squatters, man. Crazy, man.
Yes, sir. I will open my front door, my back door, everything for you with the key.
You purchased this house?
Yes, I did, sir.
But you don't know from what realtor
It's Sotheby's. So Sotheby's is the realtor, but I do have my keys. So if you can get my property, like I will give you all of my information, and you can get it.
Any information showing that you purchased?
Everything that I have went to the station. Only thing I have to go to, they told me I have to go to the B&B in Griffith, and once I get there, they can switch everything over for me, and that's gonna take like 10 or 14 days.
Purchase.
The only thing, everything that I purchased, they don't give you anything. When you purchase something and you sign in a lease agreement and it's over with, I'm not paying a monthly note, so I don't have anybody to consort with. So I don't have a consorter, but what I do have.
They never gave you.
Well, I mean, I got keys and I got my transfer information to get over with the B&B, like, transfer plates and titles and stuff like that to get my house together. I got furniture coming, that's about it. I don't have anything else that can prove that, but I do have.
Did she just say plates and titles to transfer the house over? What about a deed? Okay, like you got the deed.
The key, so if you want to go to the station and bring me back, I will definitely open up my house with the house keys.
When did they get your stuff and bring it to you?
2 days ago, they got my things and bring it to me, and they say, you don't have anything, everything registers, you don't have to worry about coming here, and if anything happens, let us know. That's the only thing that they told me, so I don't have anything against me, I don't have anything or none of that stuff. So that's why I'm saying, if you need to see that information, because I just left from that, but there's nobody in the building for them to process the information to give it back. I will gladly take you there, and you can come with me as well, and you can bring me back, and you can lock everything up. I'll let you lock everything up, and you can see that I entered this house with my key. That's the only thing I can tell you.
Where's your key right now?
A property at Munster, Indiana.
Then how did you get in today?
Because this is my door. My back door needs to be fixed. I need to go to the Ace Hardware. thing that I don't have a lot of tools. I don't have anything. The only thing that I have is the things that you see now. I have to salvage up on food and furniture and everything. I'm just new to the community. So now I'm trying to get everything done so I can, live a homely life and get some things together. But I can't do that if somebody's at the door saying, hey, well, who lives here? I live here. And if I live here, then I have to be just like everybody else. You know what I mean? I'm not causing any trouble and I'm not causing any drama. This is bringing conflict to my community. I've been good since August, since I moved in. Now they're like, what's going on in the neighborhood? What's going on with all these officers coming around to the property that's been sold?
Because the homeowner called us.
Well, yeah, I definitely not, because I'm the homeowner and I don't have any complaints, and I'll be the first person to call Munster, Indiana if I do. So that's what I'm trying to tell you. So,
I get that.
yeah, that's what I'm saying. We can lock it up if you want to, and we get the property back, and we can come directly in with the keys.
Is it for sale or something?
No, just 1095 and then drop the
He's gonna handle the charges? Criminal trespass or
residential
residential.
No, it's not, sir. It's trash at my property. So if we go get my property, I will ensure, I will show you the entryway to the
Ma'am, you
house.
don't live here.
Okay, sir, once again, sir, can we go?
What's your last name?
It's Goodson, Godson, and it should register 127 Beverly Place, Monster, Indiana.
One thing at a time.
Okay, what I'm just trying to say.
What's your last name?
Okay, it's Goodson, Godson.
First name.
Dominique.
What's in the bag here?
These are personals. I went and picked up a charger for my phone because my phone was dying. I got some personal things that I got. That's about it. I just left the store.
Did you shower while you were here?
Well, I just came home. That's what I'm saying. I'm hot. I'm sweaty. This is my phone, and then all of my personal stuff. I'm sorry?
Were you using the shower?
I just came home, and I just came home, sir. I just came home, and I'm in the house.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm gonna place you under arrest.
That's okay, but can we go get my keys, sir? Because this is ridiculous. You guys are looking for an owner, and that's who I am. And I don't like how you guys keep coming through my door. You can mail them. So once again, hold the line, sir. Okay, so when you go to the police station, it's impossible that you can pick up my property and come back so I can show you the key. I will let you come to the door and open it. As long as you see that I have keys
I'll
to
tell
the
you what,
residence.
I'll do you one better.
Yes, sir.
I'll look online to Lake County property.
I don't know where, I mean, I have to go to the B&B. I don't know if it has all registered yet, as of yet. But this is just a personal property that I just received from you. The things that I have, just some notes and a few dollars. I have a little cash. That's about it. So once again, I'm asking you, would you be able to go to the station and get my property, which just retains the key and also pieces of evidence that states that this residence was no under anybody's name? I want to talk to the officer, please, sir.
Don't come here. You don't live here.
Sir, this is where I live. Where am I supposed to live? On the streets? I'm not homeless, sir.
Go to
So
the
where's my
judge.
address?
Go to the judge.
Okay, sir, I'm not your wife.
Good
Are you
job.
going to be able to get my keys, sir? And come back to the property? Okay, as long as we come back to the property, because this is getting embarrassing. Even my neighbors will tell you. There's no reason for you guys to keep coming to this woman's residence. And you guys are not residential police officers.
Alright.
Yeah, like you got my neighbors outside, like I don't pay bills in here. That shit is irritating. This shit is disrespectful. You guys are getting very disrespectful. So I can get my property so I can show you. And I don't have to show you anything. You're not my husband. Now if I call my husband, you guys will be looking sick. Are you going to be able? Yeah. So, okay. Are you going to be able to get the property, sir, and come back to the residence so I can show you the keys that open the door? Because I don't have to lie.
Hello, who's the homeowner?
Right here.
Alright. So what's going on?
No.
Oh, you're the homeowner. Okay.
Yeah, I'm the owner.
So why is the house empty? Is it?
I'm with her. We just bought it. Or
Yeah.
she bought it. She just bought the house maybe a week and a half ago. And we're in the process of selling her other home. So she's got a different home that we got to put up for sale. And we've been going between
We've
the
been
two.
slowly adding things to the house.
The mornings
and
we
fixing
spend
stuff.
in her house in Dyer, and then the evenings we try to get over here and do something until like 8, 9 o'clock, and then we leave.
The suspect was charged with criminal trespass and a felony count of residential breaking and entering. Thanks for watching the video.
This is crazy. I wouldn't want to be living there. I'll tell you that. Property looks nice, house looks nice, but the lady keep coming in, boy. If I'm home, boy, you come breaking in. Hasta luego. We gonna see you in the afterlife, boy, cause don't come through here, boy. Ba-bow! You go. You gonna get hit with something that you might not be able to come back from, boy. Gonna get you together, okay? Gonna get you together real quick. But yeah, I want to look this up real quick though, for anybody that is interested in the squatters. Squatter DC. I think it happened in DC. This case right here, DC squatter 5 days ago. Yo, the whole playlist. Yo, this is the chick here. Yo, this was insane. Look, 1.1 million views. This was just insane. Insane. Yeah, this was like last week or 2 weeks ago or whatever. It's when the story actually came out, but it's been crazy. So yeah, just look up, just type squatter DC or DC squatter case or whatever, and you gonna see this. The lady on the left right here with her hand like this, she's the homeowner, and the one with the glasses is the squatter. Crazy story, man. I feel bad for these homeowners that's been, that's landlords, man. They've been going through it ever since COVID. These guys been going through it. People don't want to pay, none of that. And they still got bills to pay. So it's like you're getting cooked. Anyway, man, I don't wish that on nobody. I think the officers did a great job, man. So 5 out of 5 from me. Let me know in the comment section below how well you think the officers did, and I'm gonna catch you in the next video.